Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your exact Arctis Pro model and whether you're using the wired USB DAC or the wireless base station. Plug the USB DAC into your PC or the wireless transmitter into power. Once done, connect the headset to the DAC or pair with the transmitter. Install SteelSeries Engine immediately so firmware and drivers are ready. Make sure to allow driver installs and grant permissions. This avoids later audio issues and ensures the device enumerates properly in your system audio list. Once the engine detects the Arctis Pro, run any firmware updates. Do not interrupt power while updating. You then set the headset as the default playback and microphone device in your operating system so games and apps routes sound correctly. Use the engine to pick an EQ preset, tweak chat mix, and enable the Clearcast mic noise cancellation. Make sure to run the mic test and reposition the boom for clarity. These adjustments optimize performance and prevent imbalance between game and voice audio. You finish by verifying master volume, Windows exclusive mode settings, and the sample rate matching your apps. This prevents crackling or distortion. Test audio inside a game and in a voice chat to confirm both playback and mic capture. Make sure the headset isn't muted and in-app volume sliders are high enough. If something goes wrong, first reboot the headset and PC, then reinstall SteelSeries Engine. If problems persist, perform a factory reset of the DAC or transmitter. This resolves firmware conflicts and stuck settings quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.